the group and ungroup feature is missing from your Adobe Express desktop, and we're fixing it right now. This essential functionality disappearing can completely halt your creative process, but we have the exact steps to bring those buttons back. If simply restarting Adobe Express didn't bring back your group and ungroup options, the issue is likely with corrupted temporary files, so we'll move to clearing the application's cache. This process removes any old data that might be interfering with the normal display of your tools. If clearing the cache doesn't work, don't worry, because the problem often lies within the application's configuration files, which brings us to method 3, where we reset Adobe Express preferences. This forces the software to generate a fresh set of settings, often resolving display glitches. Finally, if none of those steps restore your group and ungroup buttons, a clean reinstallation of Adobe Express will ensure you're running on a completely fresh build, which is our last resort to get your tools back.